Hello friends, welcome back to Udta Rasoiya. I am Atma. Today we are making a hot and spicy condiment, green chili powder. This condiment will give your recipes a new and delicious flavor. If you're wondering why we are making green chili powder, here are a few good reasons. 1. The real flavor of green chili is lost upon cooking, leaving only its heat. 2. Green chilies have almost 5 times the vitamin C of oranges, but the heat of cooking destroys that. 3. It makes it possible to use green chili in snacks and other dry dishes. And 4. The most important reason is the flavor you get from the spice. Alright, without further ado, let's get started. Start with fresh green chilies. The primary aim of this process is to capture the freshness in the condiment. Remove the stems, cut the green chilies into long narrow strips and mix them with a pinch of salt and apple cider vinegar. The salt makes them release water and dry faster, and the vinegar prevents spoiling. Then we will let them sun dry for 3 to 4 days. You have to let them dry until they are brittle. Let me tell you something that may intrigue you. Did you know that the spiciness of green or red chilies is not a taste but actually a pain sensation? A chemical compound called capsaicin in the peppers affects the pain and temperature receptors in the mouth. There are no taste buds for chilies. Well, you might ask then, how do we recognize the different tastes of green and red chilies? The key role is played by our sense of smell. The taste of green chili is distinct due to their freshness and green aroma, whereas the taste of red chilies changes because of their ripening and sweet fragrance. So the next time you eat chili, remember, you are experiencing a unique and complex sensation. It's not just about taste, but a fusion of taste, smell, and pain that helps us enjoy this special experience. So it's not just taste, sometimes even pain can be good. Alright, let's begin the drying process by spreading the chilies on a parchment paper. The drying process can take 2 to 4 days depending on the weather. Keep turning the chilies occasionally so they dry well from all sides. Here, our chilies are fully dried. See how brittle they become. We are now going to grind them in a mortar and pestle. You can grind them in a mortar and pestle, or a blender, or a stone mill. An ideal option would be to grind them using a manual burr coffee grinder like I'm doing here. You can make green chili flavored popcorn with this. It really tastes great. You can make green chili flavored garlic cauliflower. You can make green chili flavored trail mix. Alright, let's measure and see how much quantity of green chili powder we have made. We started off from 1000 grams of raw green chilies. Looks like we have made 75 grams of green chili powder. I would recommend not bottling it immediately after grinding. Let it dry, leave it open for another day before closing the bottle. Our green chili powder is now ready. This was our condiment special, green chili powder recipe. It's very easy to make and has a unique taste. We hope you liked our today's video. We'll bring you even more exciting videos in future. Until then, keep cooking and stay happy. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Thank you.